Short-sightedness, or myopia, happens in two stages, the first of which is often called pseudomyopia. Pseudomyopia refers to a passing spasm in the eye's muscle that controls focus. There's a circular muscle in your eye that controls the lens and changes its shape to give you clear vision at both near and far distances. This is the ciliary muscle. When you look at something far away, the muscle is relaxed, and when you look at something near, the muscle contracts. The closer the point of focus, the greater the contraction of this muscle. For almost everyone, the first sign of myopia is simply a spasm of the ciliary muscle from too much close-up focusing. It's transient. The muscle locks up and the lens gets temporarily stuck in the close-up mode. For this reason, you can't see clearly at a distance. This is pseudomyopia. But you wouldn't really need glasses to treat this. You would simply need less close-up or screen time and more distance vision time. Don't just take my word for it. Below I link a study from the American Academy of Optometry published all the way back in 1998 titled Vision Therapy to Reduce Abnormal Nearwork Induced Transient Myopia, and several other resources. Once you understand that myopia is not some mysterious genetic illness, you're better equipped to stop the progression of your myopia and ideally reverse your myopia. Next, explore the video explaining how wearing glasses actually makes your eyesight even worse. And much more on this topic can be found at endmyopia.org. Also follow the other installments of this video series.